Here we go, such a beautiful sunrise in Sanur. So many people ask us for the sunrise in Sanur, and here we go today. Hi, sayang.
So we wake up in the morning today, and then for me myself, I need to do a morning exercise. And look at behind me, sunrise in Sanur, beautiful.
Are you happy, Annie?
Oh my goodness! And look at that Mount Agung, and then sunrise. So perfect day.
So perfect morning. So beautiful. Amazing, isn't it? And so peaceful.
So look at this morning, beautiful sunrise in Sanur. Oh my goodness. This is why we love Sanur. Peaceful beach. And then yeah, just peaceful life. Look at this one. Amazing. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to say, guys. This is just like magical.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Went for the dream, but I got lost. This house I leave is nothing like us. Chased happiness, ended up on a one-way street. We're leading nowhere, that's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet.
I just want to show you how beauty is Sanur in the morning. And some people are already here with the kids towards sunrise. We are so lucky that we decided to live in Sanur so we can witness this nature beauty every single day. And look at that fisherman boat. They are going fishing in the morning. Beautiful. Clear sky, very nice, peaceful. So nice. So nice. We get so many requests asking that when are you flying over the sunrise in Sanur? Here we are. Damian is flying his drone. Oh, look at this.
But so beautiful, isn't it?
So it's beautiful to live in Bali, right? Especially in Sanur. Oh, nice. Beautiful. So people are going to Sanur in the morning. Mostly they are having a morning exercise or surfing, walking, or just enjoying the beach. So nice. And some orang are still closed. Yes, obviously, because it's just 6:30 in the morning. It's very beautiful in the morning. I'm just gonna show you. Look at this beautiful sunrise and the ocean, and then magical Mount Agung. So Damian landing his drone. So so nice. Beautiful.
I just flew the drone and so beautiful shots and beautiful sunrises you saw.
So yeah, we have to do morning exercise.
Especially for Winnie because, you know. and
Especially for me, but for you also.
I know it's for me also. Anyway, it's so nice to stroll around at morning at Sanur in Sanur.
Yeah.
I'll show you more today. Beautiful. And Mount Agung and the boats. And we are now into Hyatt direction. This is actually Hyatt and pizzeria restaurant. Very nice. They already open at early morning, so not so bad place. So beautiful and so peaceful. Is honey? Oh, run. Nice, so cool. So cool. Also many people saying us walking around Sanur, this path every morning, and would love to catch us up one day. So maybe today or any other day. Comment below what time you are walking around. Can you hear the sound of the birds and nature at morning here in Sanur?
So this is still Hyatt, yeah?
Yes, this is still Hyatt over here, honey.
Yeah.
And we are heading into the Andes direction. So nice. Alright, so we got some specific requests from Terhubong.
I don't know what's your real name.
Yeah.
Mr. Terubong, who
Mr.
always
Terubong.
watch us since the beginning that we made
Yeah,
vlogs,
since the
and
beginning.
he's such a lovely viewer. So he asked Damian to speak Polish.
Yeah, because I'm originally from Poland, if somebody doesn't know. Not from Russia, from Poland. And he asked me if I can speak Polish a little bit. So I will say a few words in Polish language and I will make a translation somewhere here on the screen, so don't you worry, you will understand what I'm saying. Okej, siema wszystkim, jak tam? W sumie pierwszy raz mówię po polsku w tym vlogu. A przy okazji, jak już zaczynam mówić po polsku, to pozdrawiam mamę i tatę, rodziców. I przy okazji jest nowa wiadomość od oficjalnie, nieoficjalnie, że zostanie otworzona bańka pomiędzy Polską, Ukrainą, Singapurem i Indonezją. Także jest duża szansa, że w lipcu wszyscy z Polski, z Ukrainy i prawdopodobnie z Singapuru będą mogli przyjechać na Bali. Tylko będzie trzeba mieć certyfikat szczepienia. 5-dniowa kwarantanna w zielonej strefie, jak Sanur, Ubud albo Nusa Dua, i będzie można się cieszyć z z Bali. Oczywiście są to plany i trzeba jeszcze potwierdzić, ale jest duża nadzieja. Okay, so that's it in Polish language. Actually,
In short, Damian will explain you later on.
and actually I got stressed talking little bit in Polish because after 350 vlogs, this is the first time. So it's not 100% natural, but yeah, that's how it is. Hope you enjoyed.
I just realized, like, you know, we live close by Sanur, but I can say that we never wake up in the morning, let's say in sunrise time, because yeah, we are just too lazy. But look at this, so beautiful in the morning.
So beautiful and so peaceful. And this is the Andos. People already working hard. Check this out. Sun is already quite high, but still very nice. The only thing is that it's getting to be hot. Do you feel hot, honey?
No, it's very warm in the morning.
Oh.
Really.
So we're gonna wake up now every morning and doing like this?
I think so.
Or I have better idea. Maybe we're gonna drive bicycles.
That's another beautiful idea.
We will see, eh?
Yeah. Oh, look at the sun and the fisherman boat.
Fisherman boats and small tree even. Very beautiful. More and more people coming to jogging at morning or driving bicycles. One more time shot of the new place in Sanur at morning. And the beach side, so peaceful.
It's too much.
So that's the gardens of Hayat, and there is some swing, dogs, girls, everything in one place. So beautiful and so peaceful. Also, this coconut tree is very nice. You can climb up. Once I climb, remember Saya? And remember what's happened after that? At that time I wasn't YouTuber, it's too bad. That was so funny. Beautiful. Flower. What's the name of the flower, Saya? Frangipani, yes. I'm not florist, I'm so sorry. Yes, the sounds are very nice here. That's true. We're gonna demonstrate you what I did last time. Like this. Walking. Be careful, Sayang. Don't be like me, yeah?
That's it.
Okay. If you are thinking what's happened to me, you can imagine that. But the trees... Do the push-ups now, honey. Beautiful. So that's how the sun or morning vibes look like. And that's the Hyatt pools, Hyatt hotel. Many of our viewers actually used to stay in Hyatt. Every time we make a video in Sanur, somebody comment about Hyatt. Yes, honey?
Yeah. Alright, I think that's all our video today, guys, from Sanur. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care. Oh, that's very nice dogs. Ooh. Here we go. Hello. Oh. Very nice.